To set up app lock in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, you'll need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we want to find security and privacy options. After entering it, we'll be able to find the app lock in special features right here. You can click on it and then activate this with the button. After that, you also need to set up your own privacy password. So go into the settings right here, and then you can enter the PIN, or if you don't like it, you can go for a pattern as well. Enter a pattern that you want to use to unlock the apps. And then when you're ready, you can add recovery email in case you forgot the password. You can link accounts to also recover it and add the recovery question. When you're ready with that, you can close this window. Or actually we can't, so we need to set up recovery email, or at least the question. So in the question you can answer whatever you like and click on done, and then when you're ready you'll be able to lock the apps. For example, AliExpress right here. Then if I try to open AliExpress, it will ask me for a password. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.